What is going on, YouTube? Hi, TiLites. How you guys been? I'm not even gonna say it because everybody already knows it's been a minute, so we're not gonna harp on that. We're just gonna get right into the fun. I have another Nadine West haul, and this time I have 5 bags. I've got to do better. I really do. I promise I will try to do better. But yes, I have 5 of these. And I'm sure there are some summer items in here. Obviously, summer is really practically over at this point. Today is August 31st, and time has flown by. Summer has gone by really fast. So I'm hoping to have some really cute summer outfits in here. Yeah, but anyways, like I said last time, World Wide Web, it's summer somewhere, no matter what time you're watching it. So let's get right into opening this. And if you want to know what Nadine West is all about, I will link my original video in the description box. Or actually up here in the corner, per usual. Oh, I see some pretty florals already. So, ooh. This is, I don't know, this may be like, I don't know, in the spring type stuff. So let's see. I don't know. Okay. These are shorts. These are really cute. I'm not really sure where I would wear them because I don't wear shorts. These are really pretty though. I really like them. And then my skinny legs don't normally look right. And, oh, sorry about the deodorant, y'all. White deodorant. Can somebody please make some really clear deodorant that really is transparent for brown tone skin? Thank you. Anyways, this is really pretty. I really like it. I don't look right in shorts like this because I just have like stick legs. These kind of shorts that open up this way just really don't look right on me. But of course, you guys know I will be trying this stuff on. Let me see what that is. That is actually called bottom. Okay, it's called Iced Floral, and it's $21.99. Iced Floral. I'm gonna do something different this time. I usually put this in the description box, but I think what I'm going to do is just let you guys get a screenshot of this. If you can take a screenshot, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so the next item is it's a top, and it's called Connections Gray, color gray. It's crossed in the back, and it's soft, just like some really soft material, kind of wide. The next piece looks really pretty. Is this a jumper or a dress? Is this a romper? Oh my gosh. Oh, I love these. They have these in the mall, and I was actually looking at some of them. This is called Bring Me the Sun. I love that name. Red. It's $29.99. This is super cute. I may have to sport this tomorrow, okay? It has the shorts inside. It's like a romper, but a dress, and long in the back. And the sleeves, this looks like off the shoulder. Really pretty. Very feminine, very pretty. Love it. Absolutely love it. You can send me dresses all day long. Okay. Oh, this is super pretty. Look at this. This is called LANA Pink, $24.49. So cute. It's off the shoulders. Of course, this goes on top of your shoulders here. I love this coral color. Is that what she calls it? Oh, she calls it pink. It looks coral in person. What coral is a type of pink, honestly. But this is so pretty. Oh, I love this. So pretty. Okay, and now we have earrings, necklace, and bracelets. So let's get to the earrings. These earrings are Starry Window Gold, $13.99. This This necklace is really dainty and light. It is hollow bar gold, $21.99. Let me see if this bracelet looks, oh my gosh, it's so, what's in it? It's woven bronze, $16.49. Looks like somebody tried to open this one. Bag 2. I have so many people asking me, which item was that? You know, so I just want to make sure you guys are able to see it. Are these shorts? More shorts, y'all. Okay, these are really cute for somebody, but not me. I don't know, y'all. I'm trying on this stuff. Okay, what is this called? These are black laces for days. Black, $15.99. They're super cute. It's just not TIFFalicious. I'm not really a shorts person. Oh, this is sort of kind of cute. Animal inside, and they colored it brown. This is $25.49 off the shoulder. Not really crazy about the shape of this, but we'll see what it looks like. Oh, some more shorts. Oh, bow tie wine, $19.49. There's ruffles on the waistline, on the front and the back waistline, and then there is a belt that's connected to the waistline. I definitely don't wear shorts like this. These are the kind of shorts that are like wide open. You have to wear more shorts underneath it because if the wind blows or you bend over, everything is singing. This looks pretty. Blooming Rose Peach, $32.99. Open arms black, $25.49. A lot of off the shoulder tops in here. This is cute. Ties on the side. Blessed Be Gold for $15.99. Is there a message on it? Oh, it is. Yes, it says blessed. That's really cute. Oh, these are really cute. Look at these earrings. These are called Daisy Drops in the color of gray, $16.99. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they connect in the back, right? Okay. Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh, that is so cute and dainty. They would go perfectly with those shorts, which I'm not wearing, but I'll wear the earrings. Alright, so here's bag 3. Okay. More flowers. What is it? Be something that I will wear, please. Geo Garden Geometric, $19.49. I'm sorry, the price is $19.49. They're called Geo Garden Geometric Print. Obviously, there's the geometric print there. I love the print, the blooming stuff. These shorts, y'all. I'm just not a shorts type of person. Unless I wear it with a dress that has a backdrop or something like that. I'm really not. Oh, I love this though. This is All the Stars, yellow, $24.49. Top. I really like that. What is this? What is this? Like winter stuff. It's a short dress. Okay. V-neck drop. What is it called? Golden Days. And it's in the color of brown, $26.99. This is a gray top. Charlotte is the name, $27.99. The other one is brown. Bracelet, NALLE Cream, $15.49. It's a magnet. Really pretty. Barrier pendant for $21.99. It's in the color of silver, which It looks like copper and silver. Finally, for bag 3, earrings. They are platinum singles, gold, $9.99. Bag number 4. What is this? Elephant? Oh Lord. Elephant short. Oh goodness. Bottom. Follow the Leader, red, $21.99. These have elephants on them. And there's a black trim at the bottom. They're kind of cute, but I just don't wear stuff like this. Like, I don't know what my particular stylist is doing, but this isn't what I selected when I signed up, so I'm not sure why I'm getting this kind of stuff. This is cute. Okay, so this is, there's a line in the back. So this is a black top. It is TEGAN, $24.49. That's the front, and then in the back you have the line that goes down the back. So that's super cute. So when you sign up, you take this style quiz, selections of different styles of clothing, and you select which one is your style. A lot of these pieces are not my style. I did not select it, so I'm not quite sure why I'm receiving. Oh my God! While I'm sitting here fussing, look at Tiffiniciousness. Okay, what is this called? Dramatic Maxi in pink, $29.99. Oh, yes. I can't tell you how many pieces I have owned throughout the years. Like this particular part here. Specifically like this. It's like off the shoulder with this design going down the middle. I've had tops. This is a dress. So this is a short dress inside. And a longer drop back. Why didn't I was complaining? Anywho, more elephants. Elephant watching, silver, $29.99. So is it a watch? Okay, so let me show you. Oh, look inside. You can, there's the back. You turn it. Yep, you turn it. Okay. It's cute. I'm not really. What is this? A magnifying glass? Is that a magnifying? It's a magnifying glass. Interessant. Bracelets, strands of web, $9.99, and they say black. It's like a smoky gray to me. These are nice. These are, yeah, I would love to wear these actually. Earrings, GLITZ Fit, silver, $13.99. Just some hoops, some small hoops with rhinestones. Simple but pretty. Last bag, number 5. Number 5. This looks interesting. I'm not quite sure if I should be nervous or excited. Nerves guided. See. Oh. Well, I love the flare. It looks like a dress. Let me see here. Okay, so, oh, here we go. Okay. So, I got mixed feelings about this dress. Draped in floral, $29.99. So you tie this in the front. This is one of those things where you have to try it on to see how it looks. This could go either way for me. I'm a stick figure. I wish I had curves. I don't have curves. This would be really pretty on somebody with some curves. It's a nice dress. Okay, now these shorts look kind of cute. Like I said, I'm not really a shorts person. Coastal red, $21.99. These are very nice quality though. 2 pockets in the back, braided belt. Rose to the occasion instead of rise to the occasion. Red. It's $26.99. This is cute. It's a wine, to be honest, but it says red. So if you go to order it and you really want red, it's wine. It's a wine. Accent. The bracelet is Destiny Gold for $14.99. Look at this. How pretty. Skyfall red, $29.99. Does it remind anybody else of the 70s? I don't know, for some reason I'm picturing, what's her name from Good Times? The mama from Good Times. That's what I'm picturing. I don't know why I'm picturing her. What's the mom's name from Good Times? Flo? Is Flo? I don't remember. Anyway. Oh, these are cute, but it's broken. Oh, this is the little pieces in here. These are super cute. Earrings on track gold, $12.99. Look at how cute these are. All right. So, I will have to get to trying these on. Dress, yes. I love it. It makes me want to sing "The hills are alive with the sound of music" as I twirl around a grassy hill somewhere in the countryside. So TiLites, that's the haul, my Nadine West summer haul. If there was anything in this video that you liked, let me know in the comment section what it is. If you plan on checking out her website to see what she has to offer, I will also leave, like I said, the link to her website in my description box. If you enjoy Nadine West fashion videos, like the video, let me know you'd like to see more. You all have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.